Hi Libby, my name's Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We're a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just want to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you, so you're not playing the game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. And so I have your website pulled up here. It looks like you are a realtor that works for Next Home Beyond. And so a couple things. Content first is what we're going to talk about. Content is king. Google loves content. Again, I'm not sure how much you are able to actually change this site, or if you would just want to go ahead and get your own site built. Depending, I don't know, your plans for growth, or how much, how many leads, how much revenue you want to bring in. Or if you can influence the broker to do these changes. But either way, you guys have a site. Here it is. So content is king. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that any page that you want to rank, you need to have minimum 750 to 1500 words, okay, based on the area and the criteria. So we want 750 to 1500 words minimum on any page we're trying to rank. This is your main page, and I would say maybe less than 200. Very, very brief description about Next Home Beyond. Some basic stuff down here, the MLS disclosure. Basically, not too many, right? So you're going to want to have 750 to 1500 words on any page, and then also, especially in real estate sites with all the listing photos and IDX feed, you want to make sure that all your photos are saved the right way. So when we upload a photo to a computer, a lot of times the computer will create a file name for the photo that we don't determine. So typically it'll be random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. That's no good, okay? We want to make sure that we have good content and that our photos are saved the right way. So you're going to want to delete that every photo, and you're going to want to save it as good, proper content. And it even goes down to the size that your photos should be saved as, too. So very important. Do your homework. Make sure you're saving your photos the right way. Also, too, I highly recommend putting a fill form up here, making it easier for people to find you. So at this point on this site right here, it doesn't even look like anywhere for them to call you. I don't see a phone number here. I don't see, a little law, or, fill out your name and give us your email and tell us what you're looking for. I don't see any of that. So I don't know how much, the real point of having a website is to bring value, not just to say I have a website. You want the website to actually work for you. The next thing we're going to talk about is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank. So as you can see, I typed in North Liberty, Iowa Realtors. We have Urban Acres Real Estate, Gateway Access, and Lepic Rentals. Okay? So one thing I'd like to point out, you don't see Coldwell Banker, Remax, Century 21. You're seeing individual brokerages, right? And if not, individual agents. So if you're wondering, hey, I'm not a broker, I don't have the company, I don't own the company, that's not to be of concern, okay? So you can actually have a Google My Business page as your own agent. And I don't know if it's in here. We got the Johnson team, Ashley Burmel, Maria McCaw, Lee H., Jared Ruth. Yeah. So as you can see, you can have a Google My Business page as an individual agent. And I actually don't see your brokerage here. I think you guys are on the second page. Yeah, you're the second one on the second page. So this is what it looks like. This is what a Google My Business page will look like. This is your brokerages. If you make one for yourself, which I would highly suggest, it'll look just like this. Okay, a couple things, you guys. So first of all, reviews. Obviously, everybody knows the importance of reviews. If you're a brokerage, you want to have reviews. Okay, 1 is good at 5, but obviously more is better. And so we actually recommend for the reviews on your Google My Business to have 25 minimum. Okay, so you want 25 minimum reviews. And then again, back to the photos. Photos are very, very important. So we actually want to have 10 photos, okay, which it looks like for... You guys may have 10 photos. I would maybe, change it up a little bit. I do like the little girls, very cute. I have 4 kids of my own, 2 daughters, 2 sons. But either way, 10 photos, and make sure they're saved the right way. So it's very important that you're saving your photos the right way to help your Google My Business rank, right, and get up into that first page. So 10 photos saved the right way, 25 reviews, and then you'll be well on your way with citations to, first of all, bringing this next home beyond Google My Business page to the first page, and then if you do one yourself, that one as well. Okay, so take note of that. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere the nexthomebeyond.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. You guys actually have 52 backlinks from 15 referring domains, but if you notice here, your domain rating is a 2. That's a 2 out of 100, so not too good. That's a failure in any class I've ever taken. So basically, here's the deal. Not all backlinks are created equal. So we want to make sure that the backlinks that you have are good, powerful, reputable backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy. So you guys do have 52, but you have no power. Okay, so basically you may want to go through there and take a look at all your backlinks and figure out, hey, which ones you may want to keep and which ones you don't. That's very important. So over here, you guys have 114 organic keywords, 10 down from last month, and 3 organic traffic. So what that means is that 3 people last month potentially found your website when browsing the internet. Okay, but again, like I said, there's really no way for them to even get a hold of you, unless they go into agents. If they're going to take the time, go into agent roster, come down here, yes, then they can call you. But there's not even a click to call, so they have to highlight it or write it down. Or the easier it is, the better. Okay, because people are lazy nowadays, and I'm sure that you know that, Libby. So other than that, I do have your Facebook page. You guys have a business page for your Facebook, which is good. Again, are you getting leads from it? You do have more reviews here than you do on your Google My Business page, though. So keep it up. Hope this helps. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website, into your business, into your life, to help you grow and make some money and get some more leads. And in turn, more freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.